Hello guys, welcome to Java tutorial. In today's tutorial, we shall see how to create a Java project in NetBeans IDE with MySql database step by step, as well as we'll write the source code for the same. So as you can see, this is the login window. In this login window, if you don't have account, before going to create the account, so let me write here. Suppose if I enter test@gmail.com, so here Control A, and so here is my username is a test. Hit the login. Invalid username or password. It shows that invalid username or password. So first of all, let me register. If you don't have account, let us proceed for registration. And here I am going to register all the information. So to perform registration, I am going for full name. Suppose Ganesha Shankara, and email ID is ganesha@gmail.com, and if you hit the button register, you will say all fields are compulsory to fill, or kindly check the missing field in the form. So I'll check here. So password, so remove the password. So let me type here, I need virtual keyboard. So virtual keyboard, let me search for keyboard. Otherwise, let me go in here also, GANESHA, and here also remove GANESHA. Mobile number, if you don't enter, and directly if you hit the register, again it will say all fields are compulsory to fill. So to overcome this, I will add the mobile number. Suppose some dummy number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, as the gender is male. Select the date of birth. Suppose let me search for somewhat like 90 or maybe 92. Month is suppose February, and 27, and select the image. So I will go to my computer, so desktop. So in desktop, can you find my computer? No, my computer. So let me go to somewhere in my entertainment folder. So here you will find images. I'll go to somewhere God images. So in the God images, I'll select some of the images. Balaji. So you can see here Balaji, and hit the register. Ganesha Shankar, user registered successfully with user ID as ganesha@gmail.com. Hit OK and just check into database. So here I am using SQL Yog as a graphical user interface for my MySql. So this is MyDB users. Right click, view data. So you can see here Ganesha Shankar, ganesha@gmail.com. Ganesha is the password. Mobile number is 1234 some number. Gender is male. Date of birth and image. When you hit the image, you will get the image as we uploaded Lord Balaji image. Okay, fine. So as well as we can able to reset the data. So suppose if I enter, suppose here test user, so test@user.com, password is test. So here is test. Mobile number suppose 12345, gender is female, and suppose some date of birth like, and some month June 5. Select the image, go to desired directory, entertainment, images, God images. So suppose if you select here some image, no, I want to change the image here. So entertainment, somewhere some other images like don't find any more images in my images, and some image like this. So you can able to reset also. So test user test, so hit the register. So test user registered successfully with user ID as a test@user.com. Hit OK. So here refresh, you can see here test test@user.com and test. Okay, fine. So as well as you can see the image, so this is the image. Okay, fine. So simply close this and let me show you the execution. Click here to login. You can close here. So let me try first of all here test user. What is username I mentioned here? test@user.com. So my email ID as a test@user.com. Password if I enter, suppose what is the password I enter? I think so user. Hit the login. Invalid username or password. So let me check invalid. Where is the invalid? Password is test. So password is test. We bring somewhere password here, so it should visible to you. So you can see here test user password, test password is a test. So here test@user.com, and you can see here test. Hit the login. So username and passwords are correct. So now you can see your landing page, and in this landing page you can able to fill the data. So let me clear the field, and we can able to perform new, as well as you can able to insert the data. You can able to update or edit the data, and you can remove the data also. So let me clear all the fields and let me proceed for teacher ID 2. Add here suppose Yogesh, teacher name suppose salary something like, and some date of birth. Let me, so here suppose 8, and address is Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India, and DT code is 2533. Subject if I say Java, and let me insert. So one teacher saved successfully database. So teacher saved, you can see here teacher. If you want to update teacher 1, teacher 2, I want to update Java to Android programming, Android apps development. So update, one teacher updated successfully, as well as you can see here Android development. I want to change my name. Okay, so update here, updated. So similarly you can see here Yogesh H. Bhosle, and you can search the field also. Let me add somewhat Yogesh Patil, ID suppose 3, salary suppose somewhat, let me change to some June 4. Here is for iOS. Save, hit OK. So here is Patil Prasad 4, teacher salary, and somewhat 5, and he belongs to Latur, Maharashtra, India. Subject, he might be handling data structure, as well as he might be handling mathematics. So save. So one teacher saved. So when I hit here, you can see all the information reflecting. So we'll see this application how can I able to do, as well as we can able to perform the operation P. You can see here search the teacher by name, Prasad, Patil, and P. So P is also here also, and P also here. So that's what you can see here, PATIL, Prasad, only one entry is one entry is visible now. So PATIL, so you can see 2 entries here. This means you can able to perform clear, save, update and delete operations also. So let us see these operations how we can able to do. And so go to login. So this is my login form, as well as register. This is my register form. This is my teacher form. Let us start now creating the project. So already I created all the stuff, so let us proceed for step by step. First of all, I have to create the database. So let us create a Java project step by step in NetBeans IDE with MySql database using. So here I'm using SQL Yog or MySQL Workbench GUI for MySQL. Even you can use Toad for MySQL also. So what are the operations we are going to see? Login, sign in or sign up, or as well as you can see home. Don't worry, I will share the source code also. So you can find the source code link. You can download the source code. From description link of video, from description of video tutorial. I'll share the link to you. Okay, fine. So what are the operations we are going to see? We'll perform login, we'll perform sign up, we'll go to home. So these are the operations we are going to see. So this is my login. So this is the registration, and once login gets completed, we'll proceed for home page. Okay, fine. So let me close all these operations. So here close, and proceed for creating. First of all, I have to create the database table. I have to create the database and a table. So already I created last time in my SQL Yog. So let me teach you how to connect your SQL Yog. So keep your softwares ready. So keep ready. Development environment. Like so, you need JDK. First of all, keep ready following development JDK. Second, you need NetBeans IDE, or you can use Eclipse also, or you can use IntelliJ IDE also. Third, you can use then and etc. So you need database. So here database is, I'm using MySql. So as well as I'm using GUI for MySql, that is I'm using here SQL Yog, or you can use Toad also. You can use Toad or you can use Workbench. And you need some icons, some images or icons. Okay, fine. And absolutely you need time. As well as you have to watch this video up to the last. Patience, watch this video, watch this tutorial up to last to learn. You need patience also. Okay, fine. So first of all, let me create the database table. You need JDK, NetBeans database as a MySql images. So add some images and other time and patience also. So let us create the database. So first of all, let me tell you what are the things I'm using here. Go to command prompt. So Java -version I'm using 1.8, 1.8.0. Okay, fine. So let me explain you what is the MySql I'm using here. So you can see here MySql 5.5, MySQL 5.5. So this is from command prompt. This is from command prompt. Okay, so show databases. So you can see here. So I don't want to use this command prompt based command based MySQL. I want to use GUI. So I'm using SQL yoke. So already install SQL yoke. Hit continue. Hit connect. So you can see here database already created. Users, right click, view data, and you can see all the informations here. And so here is binary image and all the stuff. So here these are the images, lock, and means you can able to perform image uploading also. So let us create the database first of all. So there is no database, so let me create one more database. So how to create the database? I'm going to create the database called, you can create the database from here also. Create database like this by firing the query, but I don't want to go with firing query. So my database name, so right click here, create database, create database. I'm using here Java DB, hit OK. So I created Java DB. So my database name is Java DB. So my database name is Java DB. Now let me create the table. You can fire this query also. You can fire this query as well as you can perform right click and left click also. So let me perform right click and left click. So this is my Java DB. So create table. You can create the table in this way also. And let me add the first, here is name. Let me add the field names. But before going to create the table in this way, let me teach you with a background. With the in background you can check it here, history you can go here. So create database Java DB background, you can use these queries. Okay, fine. If you are using so Control C to create the database. So you can use these queries. Next you can fire the query in MySQL prompt. So here is MySQL. You can fire these queries also, as well as here you can see here I don't need this stuff also, so this is also not required. So create database Java DB, and let me create the table. You can use this query also. So create table users. So let me create the table here. So right click, create table, name. Let me use the size as a varchar of suppose some size 30. Let me use next field as an email. I need here varchar some size 30. Next let me add here mobile number, and I can use int also. I can use instead of int I can use long int also. Or big int. I can use big int also. So instead of big int, let me use the text only, or I can use varchar, because going for more than 10 digits is not recommended in integer, because it's crossed the limit for positive to negative range. So varchar, I am applying 12 range. There might be chance of mobile number is 12 digit. Then let me go for, instead of mobile, let me go for your password maybe 30 digit. Then mobile, I need mobile. Then I need varchar of suppose 12 digit. Then name, email, password, mobile. Then I need here gender, varchar, so male, female, 4, 6, 8 digits is more than enough. 8 digit is more than enough. So here 8 digit, 8 or 10 digit is more than enough also, because anyhow you are going to store. Next is date of birth. So varchar date of birth, let me go for 20. And next I need to store photo or image, and it should be long blob, and let me make email ID as a primary key. Okay, fine. So here is name, email. I can use magnifier, so you can see the fields: field name, email, mobile, gender, date of birth, and photo, as well as you can see the constraint also. So here I applied primary key constraints for email. Okay boss, fine. So let me close the magnify. So you can see here magnifier, name, email, password, mobile, gender, date of birth, and photo. So I'm having currently 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns. So hit the create table button. Table names are users. Table names is users. Hit OK. So here is table created successfully. Hit OK. Do you want to add one more table? No, I don't want to add one more table. So in background you can see here query is fired. So this is the query, you can see here, same query you will find. So let me write the query here also. So you can see your query, add same query. Okay, fine, done. My table is created. Create table javadb.users. You can use this query also to create the database table. So here I'm using SQL Yoke as a GUI for MySQL. My MySQL version is 5.5. So like you can use some other tools to interact with the MySQL database, like Toad for MySQL or MySQL Workbench or PHP MyAdmin with MySQL. So let us proceed for creating the new project now. Let us proceed for creating new project into your NetBeans ID. So you have to proceed for these steps. Step 2. So right click, new project. Otherwise you can go for file menu, new project. Hit the new project. Select Java. Select Java application. Hit the next button. Let me give here the name login Java login registration project. Login registration project. Then simply you can hit the finish button. Okay, this is my window, login registration project. Fine. Then just finish. Then I need to add the form, J form. So let's proceed for third step. So you need to add register window. So let me have this name, register window, and right click on the package, new, select here JFrame form, and give the name here register window, register underscore window. Hit the finish. Once you hit the finish, you can find this register window under the login register project package. Okay, fine. So let me go for designing the form. So let me scroll down somewhat and let me perform all the operations here. So what are the operations I have to do in this form, as well as then my form is ready now. Then my form is ready. Let us proceed for designing the logic. Now. Otherwise, we can go for next. We can go for right click on new package, and then we can add one class, MySql connection. So right click here, new Java class. So here is MySql connection, connect, hit the finish, and here we can write the logic to create the database connection. Here we can able to write the logic to create the database connection. So what are the logics I have to write? Let me explain you to work with the database. So here is my public class. Here one more add method, public. So connection, get connection. So before going to add here, before going to write the logic, so this class is responsible for getting the connection, getting the MySql connection. Okay boss, fine. So let me close my existing logic. So register teacher window, and this is my, okay fine. So let me go for designing the application now. So we'll write the logic later on. Write the logic to open the MySql connection. Let me add some images. So before going to add the images, I need to add the folder. So here right click, new, let me add the folder, give the name as icons or images, hit the finish. So where is my icons or images? Where it has added, let me check. Right click, new folder, icons, login project. So I don't see here icons, login register project, icons, cancel. So let me refresh. Or you can go for project groups. Where is the icons? Otherwise let me add one new folder here, as you can call images, hit the finish. So you can see here images, and let me copy and paste some images here. So here is lock, user, lock, closed, logo, blue folder. Okay, you can find these images. So copy these images and paste to created folder, images. So simply you can hit the paste. So you can see here these images, folder, lock, closed, lock, logo, and user. Okay, fine. So let me create this project now. So I added here, let me add the panel. Here. So this is my panel. Let me expand this panel to the bottom so it will fix. So here it is expanded to the till. Let me change the background color. To somewhat like, okay, fine. Hit the close. Then let me add one more panel. So let me expand this panel, which will give you good look. So up to here as a border. Okay, that's fine. So you can see I want to create this UI. So this UI I want to create. Okay, fine. So 1, 2, 3 already created now. So now let me go for one more panel here and one more panel here. So add one more panel here, and this panel up to this much of size. Okay, fine. and this panel color I want to change to somewhat like dark color. I am looking for dark color. Hit OK, close. So this is the dark color, and I need one more panel. So this panel appears here for register new user. Okay, fine. Okay, so right click, change the properties and change the color to somewhat, I want to go for yellowish color, light yellow. Okay, hit OK and hit close. So I need here label, so add the label, right click, edit text, register new user, sorry, change the background, not background, change the font to somewhat bold and 18. Okay, not enough, somewhat like a 24 or 28. Hit OK. I'll change the size of this panel as well. Okay boss, fine. So this panel is created almost. Okay, as well as we will register new user. We'll change the color of this to red, pure red. Hit OK. Okay boss, fine. As well as we'll add some image. So I need here image, so add one more label. Where is the label? So add one more label. So go to properties and search for the icon. So here images, and you can select here logo. Hit OK, close, and remove the text, edit text, remove the text. Okay, done. So this is almost done. Then I need one more label here, so let me add the label and change the label width up to here. So right click, edit text, let me add here CSMSS, Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering, otherwise let me keep in caps, Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering, Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. DT code 2533. Okay guys, so text is added, so it's a time to change the font, bold and somewhat like a 14 or 18. Okay, but it's not fit, 18 does not fits, so let me go for changing the font somewhat like a 16. Hit OK. Still don't fit the window, so better let me change to somewhat like 14. Okay, and fix the size from here to here, and text color foreground I want to make it white. Hit OK, fine, and change somewhat here. Okay, see now how it looks. So even if you try to run, this won't run. So let me call here, so go to login register, so minimize, so here is login register. So let me call here my register window, RW, new register window. So rw.show, simply save. So save and run the application. So you can see your register window look like this. Okay, fine. And let me add remaining stuff. So I think I have to increase the height of this form. So close the form. Now go to register window, change, so add some more labels. So label 1, label 2, label 3, label 4, so I have to add 6 labels and one button to upload the image. So 1 2 3 4 5, I need 6th also, so 6th, and I need buttons. So let me increase the form height. So form height I'm increasing slowly. Okay, fine. So just check it. Yes, it fits to the whole form, more than enough. So how many labels were added here? Check it once again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I need button, one button here. So button, and one more button. Zoom here, and one more button for reset, and one more label. So here is label. Okay boss, fine. So let me add remaining stuff. So change the text, edit text. So here full name, edit text, full name. Here is edit text. What are the column names? Check it out. Otherwise you can go for email ID, password, email ID, right click email ID, email-id, then here is edit text, password, forget to add edit text here, then colon, edit text, then colon, edit text, then colon, edit text, then, so here I need to go for confirm password, okay. Then we'll go for, now we'll change confirm password. After confirm password, full name, email ID, password, confirm password, mobile number, gender, I need here mobile number, here is my gender, then after gender we'll go for one more field, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, good. Password and confirm passwords, so I have to validate. So to perform these operations, as well as I have to add the date of birth also. So I may need one more label. So here is my label for date of birth, sorry, it's winter season, right? So gender, so here is gender, mobile number. Okay boss, fine. So here let me go for select image, and here let me change the label here, register. Let me go for here, it's reset. Okay, here is, let me change variable name, not button1, upload image button, hit OK. So right click, variable name, register, hit OK. Here is reset. Hit OK. Fine. So let me change their foreground color and height and width. As well as, so here is foreground color is black, absolutely. Let me go for font also, font and alignment. So here is, so let me search for font, background, foreground color like ash. Okay, fine. Now, so select these labels, email ID as well. Will increase the font all at once. Why it is missing? Okay, we'll do one by one. So change the font. Suppose you can go for here somewhat like any other fonts, like Arial black or Arial, make it bold, go for 14 or 18, hit OK. So this looks good, somewhat eye catch. As well as we'll jump to top. Okay guys, fine. So here I need to keep here, this must be here, mobile number I want to be, it must be here. Okay, fine. So mobile number should be here, and damn, then next I need gender, I need date of birth, then I need gender. For gender, let me add the text boxes here. So here, where is my text box? So somewhat scroll down, text field, so one text field, next I need one more text field, so text field 2. Then here now I need password, J password, so password field, so select the password field. Next one more password field, confirm for confirm password. Then I need mobile number. So for mobile number you can use again text field. For gender you need radio buttons, radio button 1. So you can have one more radio button 2. And for date picker, to add this J calendar, by default when you install after installing NetBeans you won't find J calendar. So next step is to add the J calendar. So if you don't know how to add the J calendar, or J calendar won't appear here, or instead of J calendar will take much more size. So let me go for J date chooser here, because J calendar cell contains huge size. So I need some more space to be reserved for image also. Okay, if you don't find the J calendar you can refer this tutorial. So how to install or add J calendar. Okay, how to install or add J calendar, recently only I have uploaded. You can refer this tutorial how to install or add J date chooser or J calendar or date picker in NetBeans IDE to perform swing operations. You can refer this tutorial how to add. So refer this tutorial. By default it won't see. So add this J date chooser. Anyhow I'm going to show you how to add this J date chooser. Okay, fine. So design the form as per requirements. So text box says J date chooser. If date chooser won't find, what you have to do, you have to go to if J date chooser don't appear in the palette window, then go to this website. So let me show you how to add. So here right click and you can go here. Already I shown you. So go to this website. On this block, scroll down the page. So download this zip file. So somewhere you can save on desktop, saved, and next you have to extract this file. So open when done. So you'll find lib folder. Okay, here you'll find jcalendar 1.4.jar. okay, fine. So simply extract this folder. So download, extract it, you'll find this extracted folder. So in NetBeans IDE, to add the steps already I shown you. Otherwise you can refer this tutorial also, how to add or install J date chooser or J calendar. Okay, fine. So extract, go to palette window, options. So how to add the date chooser, tools, palette, swing AWT component. I'm repeating once again, hit the tools menu, hit the palette, select the swing AWT component, add from jar. So you can go to desktop. So you can find the J calendar already extracted. So extracted, double click open, you will find, go to lib, select the J calendar, hit the next, Control A, select all, hit the next, where you want to extract in swing controls, and simply hit the finish button. Once you hit the finish button, you can see J calendar, J date chooser, and all the stuff regarding to select the date. So this is the step to perform the operations. So let me close here, as well as, so here in this way you can able to add the J date chooser or J calendar into your NetBeans IDE. The next step, we'll add the photo in front of photo buttons. So go to NetBeans, see how your form looks now. So this form here looks like this. So let me change size, height, width and all the stuff. Okay, fine. So change the width, so here let me change the color as well as bold. we keep somewhat 14 or 18. Hit OK. Select the image. Let me add some icon, like select the icon. So file. So here image. I want to go for folder blue. Hit OK. Close. Okay, fine. So select the image. Okay, boss. Fine. And let me add the label here. One label towards image to be shown here. Okay, fine. And this label size. Okay, fine. This is more than enough. Label. What is the label? So properties. So let me change the variable name. Label underscore photo. Hit OK. So variable name is, this is for label. And so let me resize the form. Okay, so resize it. Increase the height. So here also increase the height. Increase the height somewhat. Okay, fine. Then okay, this is more than enough. So mobile number also I want to be increased, and mobile number. So radio button, let me change the label. So here is male. Right click here, edit text, female, and change the colors, fonts, bold. Let's make it somewhat like some other color. Okay, somewhat like 13, 14, no 18. Okay, more than enough. And color to like dark red. Hit OK. Fine. Male, female. And just increase the height, date of birth. Then this is for label. So edit text, remove the label. I don't need label anymore here. So I need to change the size of these buttons to look good. Register. So increase the height and width. So here edit text, I'll go for here what is the image label contains. Click here to log in. So I'll go here, right click, edit text. So click here to log in, click here to log in or sign in. In brackets some message was there, let me check. To close registration form, right click, edit text, or to close registration form. Okay boss, done. So let me keep somewhere here and give the enough width. Okay, and change the size to bold. Okay, as well as I can go for 24. Hit OK. Okay, fine, more than enough. And change the color to dark blue. Okay, fine, done. New user, this may not be center, so right click edit text, so user, fine. So run the form, how it looks. So here you can see register, full name, email ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, because password and confirm password both are same. So let me change the names now. What are the fields I entered? Enter full name. So here let me change the text, enter full name. Next here also let me add here what is the name, enter email ID, enter email ID, enter email ID. Next here also instead of j field 1, enter password. Next here enter password, confirm password. So CONFIRM, confirm password. Check it once again. So here you can see confirm password, and here is text is enter password. So here let me give the label as a enter mobile number, enter mobile number, and so change variable name, JRadio button mail, hit OK, and here edit change variable name female, hit OK, male female. Then here right click change variable name, date of birth, hit OK, and the edit text change variable name, hit OK, email ID change variable name. So change variable name, text field name, change variable name, email ID. Next here password, next here cpass or confirm pass, hit OK. Then here change variable name, this is for mobile number, hit OK. I think already I had done for this. What is the variable name? I think Gmail, female, male, change variable name male, date of birth, change variable name date of birth, already added. And here is the label, edit text, label photo. Okay, so what is left now? To increase the font, bold 12 14, hit OK, right click, bold 18, hit OK. The color, let me go for the color like somewhat it's too dark, hit OK. No, foreground color, no, I want background color to be like this as per this image. So here foreground color is white, background color I am looking for. So right click, properties, background, like I want this 1 2 4. Okay, hit OK, hit OK. Then properties, foreground color, I want, what is the image color here? White, hit OK. close. Here I want properties, so background like somewhat like, okay, or gold, and foreground black. Okay, black only let it be. So run, just see how it looks now. Okay, register and reset, select image, done. Image, male, female, enter mobile number, password, confirm password, email id, and there is no listener were added till now. There is no actions, so let us proceed now. So first of all, let me add the actions. So here I don't need MySql currently, so let me close this other fields. So image, so we added the button for the image also. Next, add the buttons to register and reset, we added. Then let me go for creating the button group. Okay, create the button group, and then we'll add into radio buttons, then we'll add the jars. So here I need go to source, so not this source register, yeah, it's here only. I need button group bg, so initialize component, then let me initialize with bg assignment operator, new button group, then let me add bg dot add of, what should I add, j radio button, j radio mail, add it now. Next, bg dot add of j radio female, add it to. Next, let me confirm selected by default, j radio male, let me keep it selected state, selected, set selected true. Okay, done. So you can see here set selected, fine, done. So as well as you can select some date of birth, like some mobile numbers. So we'll increase the font also, we'll keep their fonts and everything ready. So design, so foreground I want to change, font I want to change for all. Okay, so change to somewhat bold and like 14. Okay, so here also fine, done. As well as color also, let me go for color, background, properties, so foreground, can I see foreground here? No, foreground is here black. Instead of black, let me go for like, okay, hit OK, close, so Control S. So now you can see contents, somewhat good look, done. Okay guys, so let us perform the logic regarding to. Now done. Now let me add the jar, so here I'm using MySql connector 5.1.10. so where is my MySql connector over 5.1.10? Can I find the jar file? It's for calendar, yes, its jar is here. You can see this jar, MySql connector. So this is the jar. Why this jar is not moving? So MySql connector F2, or you can use this jar also. Let me check which jar I used in the previous project. What is the jar name I used there? Libraries 5.1.7. okay, 5.1.7. so F2 control C. I'm using this jar here, so let me change, or you can use this jar also, or this jar also. So let's add the jar file. So how to add jar file to the lib? So right click on the lib libraries. So here add jar, go to desktop, you can find the jar 5.1.7. don't add this 5.0.4. let me delete this 5.0.4. Where is that 5.0.4? because this does not allow me to upload the upload the folder into my database. Do not allow me to store. So right click on the libraries, add jar, so MySQL connector Java 5.1.7 -bin, hit open. So it is added now, it has been added now. Okay, jar is added now. So let us create a database connection related operations. So already we have created the class, so go to the class, so MySQL connect. So here let me add the method public, return the connection get con, and this is the method return null. So connection, let me import the connection now. Import java.sql.connection, so here I imported, and after importing, now let us write the logic. So here is class.forName. You have to pass here driver class name for MySQL. So here com.mysql.jdbc.driver. next I need connection. So here is connection con, and here is con assigned with the, let me get the connection, then let me assign with driver manager dot get connection. So here I need to pass 3 parameters. First is JDBC URL pattern. So the URL is JDBC :mysql / localhost : 3306 /. So next we have to pass the database. What is the database name we have created? So database name, let us check it. So Java DB. Okay, fine. So here is my Java DB, and here is root. My username is root and password is root. Okay boss, done. What it is showing that it may throw the exception. So let me add here try and catch block surrounded by try, and let me keep here catch block. So here is exception E, and we'll show some message later on, like J option pin show message dialog. So let me pass here null and plus. So error in MySQL connect get con method. Okay boss, fine, done. So now if connection successful, Let me get the connection. So here not error, so not error, database connection successful. Okay, done. Then finally let me return the connection con, return the con. Okay, and return the con. Fine. So this is about my get connection. Return the con, return the con. Okay, done. This is my database logic is done now. So let us write the logic to upload the image. Let's write the logic to upload the image. So I need this logic to be done. So when I click what the issue, so variable e option is, so remove here option, saved and run. When I click on select, I need a image picker. The dialog should be open to select the image, so and that image to be appear here. To overcome that, I need to write the logic. Okay, fine. So go to register window and go to source. So write the logic here. Somewhere I need string. So photo path, let me initialize with the null. It's a string only, it's a string, and I need here javax dot swing dot image icon. I have to work with image icon also, image icon for resizing the images, for resizing the image. So to work with this, let me add a method. The method is public. Let me return the image icon, and let me go for resize image icon, and this is the body. I need to return the image icon. So here is my image icon. I need to javax.swing. So here image icon. So here is my photo. So initialize with the null. If photo path is not equal to null, if it is not equal to null, then let me write the logic. So here my photo, so let me initialize with the image icon, and here let me pass here photo path. Okay, and in the else block, so in the else block let me go for my photo. So here new image icon, and we set here photo. Let me set here photo. Where comes photo? So let me check once. Okay, so let me go to not this register, as well as, so here photo path is not recommended, so let me write the logic here for passing string photo path. I need string photo path. Next I need in the form byte array. I need byte array for photo. Okay, so here I can pass here now photo. Okay, done. So here is image icon to my photo. If photo path is not equal to null, then let me assign with my photo to my image to new my image icon, the photo path. Then in the else block, my photo to new image icon, then photo. Okay, fine. So let me go here, image. So it simply initialize with the image. Then my photo dot we get the image. We get the image. So here then I need to import the image. Import java.aw.image, imported now. Then let me set the image scale, image1, assign with the image dot get scaled instance. I need this label photo dot, I need to get the width, then get the width, as well as I have to get the height. So here is my label photo dot get height. So here I received height also, as well as let me set the then image dot, let me set the scale smooth. Okay, scale smooth, fine, done. Okay, fine. Next then simply add here, I had written the image also, then image icon, then this is my photo, new image icon. Let me pass here my image1, then let me simply return the photo. Done. So this is the logic. So for resizing the photo, next we'll apply the listener. As per this logic. Okay, fine. So let us apply the listener. On the button. So when you run the applications, when you click on this image, when you click on this button, the image picker to be loaded. I need dialog to be loaded here. So let me go to register window and right click. So first let me change the variable name. So upload image button, this variable image, upload image button. So right click, events, action performed. Where is the action performed? Design, right click, right clicks, events, action, upload image, action performed. So here is your action performed. upload image, J button, action performed. Now, so this is for selecting the image. Let me keep here comment. Okay, fine. So applying listener on the select button. Fine. So next, the image to be displayed, the selected image to be displayed in label underscore photo. Okay, fine. So I need here file chooser. So J file chooser. So chooser new J file chooser semicolon. Then let me apply the chooser dot. Let me set the set current directory. Set current directory. And pass here new file, and here let me pass here my home user dot home. So here I pass user dot home. Okay, done. So before going to pass user dot home, control X. So I need here system dot get property, and here I can pass user dot home. Done. Now I have pointed my file chooser to home, that is my root. Next, I need extensions. File name extension. What are the extensions to be allowed? File name extension filter. So file name extension filter, FNEF new file name extension filter. What are the images that you want to try? Like images, comma, I want to work with JPGs, some JPGs. Then I want to work with PNG. Okay, JPG, PNG, or you can use GIF also. Fine. Then chooser dot, let me add choosable folder, add choosable file, add choosable file filter. So FNFE, then save file filter. Then let me get the chooser dot show save dialog. Pass here null semicolon. So let me get the count or answer. Okay, fine. If answer is equal to J file chooser dot, let me apply the action as approve option. Then I want to perform remaining stuff. Here file, let me go for selected photo, chooser dot get selected file, and let me get the path, string path. So here selected photo dot get absolute path. Then I need my label photo to be shown here. Set icon. So here resize image, just the photo. So let me pass here path, and here is my null. Okay, fine. then this dot auto path to path. Okay, so else, in the else block, if any error occur, I want to show println then photo not selected, photo not selected, or I can say here image or photo not selected. Done. So this is up to for uploading the image. Let us try now. So select the image, go to desktop, and you can go for logo. So you can see here the selected image appears here. Otherwise you can go to now some other folders like images, Chhatrapati. I want this, so go to entertainment images somewhere, like maybe, so double click, so the image can be, you can see the image here, selected image, and you can fill the remaining information. Okay, fine. Now we need to go for register and reset. We have to go for register and reset. Okay, fine, almost done. Now we'll go for next step. So this task is done. Image upload, upload image button. You can have a look on the code just for a while. Then we'll go for clearing or resetting the fields. Clearing or resetting the fields. Okay, fine. So we'll clear or reset the fields. So we'll apply the listener on reset button. So let us apply. So go to design. So where is your reset button? My reset button, you can see a reset button is here. And somewhat change the font to 24. Okay, good. This also 24? No. 24? Okay. Now this looks good. So right click. So let us apply the event, bind, no bind, event, action performed. So here reset all the swing controls. So here delete. So let me get the labels. jtext field name dot set text. Let me set the text to empty. Next jtext field dot email id dot set text to empty. Next jtext field, then let me go for mobile number dot set text to empty. Then we'll proceed for now jpassword field dot set text, this is also empty. jpassword field confirm pass set text, then here is also empty. Then let me go for password also confirm. Now I need to clear the field for jdate chooser, date of birth. Okay, then set date to null. Then let me clear the gender also. So this is my button group dot clear selection. Done. So run once. So let me choose the female and fields like suppose like me, and go to some date of birth. So enter some name like Parvati, control A, Parvati at Gmail, or test at gmail.com. Then password, enter mobile number, then male or female, then select the image, go to somewhere my folders, then like photos. So here reset. So all the field reset now. Now we'll go for upload image button also. As well as we'll reset the field also. Label photo. So here I'll go for path. So let me go for design, search, control F, logo. Let me add the image, some dummy image. So where is my register window? Page down, and my event, clear event. Where is my clear event? So let me add the search for any logo. So classes, somewhat no image, like I'm looking for no image. So any images exist, let me check. J calendar project, school app, src icons. So you can find here no image. Okay, no image. So here no image. I can add, right click, copy. So I'll paste here somewhere on desktop. So user add. So here is copy. Let me paste into my icons. So here images, paste. Oh, the already existing user was there, so no, don't worry. So user underscore add. So here is user underscore add. JPG or PNG? It's PNG. Okay, boss. So let me try. Will it work? Reset. Definitely somewhere exception need to be thrown. No. Good. Slash images slash user underscore add. Okay guys, so here I set now. Okay, done. Now we'll proceed for next step. So clear the field. Now we'll apply the listener to perform registration operation. So select the register button. And we'll apply the event. First we'll get all the fields. So I need a water. Let me have the water first. So you can see these operations and fill the data. So please excuse because washroom and some emergency. Now we'll apply the listener on register button. So close this form, go to design. So here register button, right click on the register, events, action performed, and now here so logic to save or insert the user information into users table. Okay, fine. So let us see now. First of all, let me get the values. I hope this font is visible to all. Now let us add. Now let's first get the string. Let me get the name, string name. So here is jtext field name dot. Let me get the text, get text. Next string, let me get the email, jtext email dot get text. Next let me get the password, jtext, not jtext, jpassword field pass dot get text. Next string confirm pass, or you can call cpass jpassword confirm pass dot get text. Yeah, I know this underlines indicates, overline indicates these methods are deprecated. You can use some alternative method also. Then I need to get the mobile number also, caps lock on string mobile, then jtext field mobile number dot get text. Then let me get the gender also, gender. Then initially by default we are set to male, so here is male. Then if, let me apply the logic expression, if J radio button female is selected, then let me set the logic. So here is gender to female. Okay boss, fine. Then next let me create the date of birth. date of birth jdate chooser dot get date. Okay boss, fine. So let me import the date here. Let me import the date. So source and register source. So here let me import the util date. Imported now. Now once date received, we'll apply the validation logic now. Apply the validation logic for checking all controls are empty or not. Okay, first if it will check within the if. Let me get the first name dot trim dot, let me get the equals is equal to empty or name dot trim dot equals. So I have to pass this, go to design, so go to name, get the text, this enter full name. So here copy, right click or simply copy, Control C and go to source, here paste. Okay, fine. Then one more OR operation. Then I need same for others also, like I want to work with now name, then email, then here also let me go with the email, then register, not register, design, email, select email ID, Control C, go to source, so here enter email ID, Control V, pasted, Control C, here or Control V. Now after email, let me go with the now password, here also password, then I need to get the label password, enter password, right click, copy, enter password, go to source, so here is password, enter password, Control C, so here I need to go for CPass, so here also CPass, and here is text. Let me remove the text, go to design, so here is confirm pass, so confirm pass, Control C, go to source, Control V, then after confirm pass, let me go for mobile number, Control C, then here I need to remove this message, so here is mob, then here is mob, and let me go to mobile, Control C, mobile, source, so here is mobile, enter mobile number, so mobile number, enter mobile number, then we'll write the logic within this if. Okay boss, so here I check the name, email, pass, confirm pass, and mobile number. So we'll go for equals, so we'll write here option, like let me give one, show one dialog message, confirm dialog, j option pane, j option dot show message dialog. So here is null, it will pass the message. The message is all fields are compulsory, all fields are compulsory to fill. Kindly check missing field in registration form. Okay boss, fine. I can go for done. So let me go for else block now. So this else block, I'll check here password and confirm password. If so, in the else block I'll check. Okay, so here I'll pass here I'll pass dot equals to cpass. If both are equal, if everything is fine, okay, fine. Otherwise we'll go the warning, we'll show the warning, that is then also we'll check here within if everything goes fine, if date of birth is equal to null. So if date of birth is not selected, select or chosen, then let me apply here j option pane. Let me show a message, show message box, show message dialog. Let me apply here null, and the message is, so please enter date of birth, please select or enter date of birth. Okay, fine. Then let me get the focus, jdate chooser dot grab focus. Let me get the focus now. Now within this else, here if everything is fine, if everything is fine means all control fields, all swing control fields has been selected. Then we can insert, then we can save or insert or register user into database table. Okay boss, fine. So in the else block, so we'll go for now. So here this is for else. This is for DOB else, date of birth, else block, and this is for password. This is for password, and see password is equals or not. And finally, in the else block, we can write the logic for if password and confirm password are not same, then we can go for J option print dot show message dialog. So null, I can pass here message. So the message is password and confirm password and confirm password are not same. Are not same or must be same. Are not same. So here I can clear the field j password dot set text to empty, and j password pass to confirm pass to set text to empty. Okay guys, so this is the logic. So let us proceed for now verifying the logic whether it works fine or not. You can check the brackets, everything is fine. Okay, done. So let me keep over here one j option message, and here all fields are filled. Let's run the application. So register, all fields are compulsory to fill. Please check missing field in the registration. Okay guys, so let me enter the data. Suppose this is my test user. So register, all fields are compulsory to fill. Please check the missing field, and here is test@gmail.com. register, compulsory to fill. So here test and register. So test1, all fields are compulsory to fill. Enter mobile number, Control A, mobile number. So password and confirm password must be same. Password and confirm password must be same. So here test. Please select or enter the date of birth. So here let me go for like May 15 and select the image. In picture I don't find any pictures here, so here let me go to now entertainment, then images, God's images, suppose some image. I suppose image name entertainment God's. Then okay, fine, Ganesh and Saraswati, fine. Then when you hit the register, all fields are filled. You can see here validation done, all fields are filled. Okay guys, so register. Now here it has filled, clear the field, reset also done. So close now, validation done. Now let us proceed for insertion of data. So here I don't need J option pin now. So let us perform the operations. Let us perform the operations now. So let me add the database related queries into my form. So here is my try block. So let me go for here catch block. So catch block within the try. First of all, let us verify whether email is already registered or not. Okay, so I'm going to write the logic. So let me check whether email ID as user ID is already in use or not. So done now. So let me get the connection. Connection con. So I can get the connection directly. How do I get MySQL connect? So let me make it static. No static, so directly can I able to access? That is MySQL connect dot. Now it is not appearing here, so I need to create the object MySQL connect. Control C. Somewhere I have to create the object. In the constructor only, let me create the object. So con new MySQL connect CONN or CON, no matter whether you use CON or CON. And so now I can call here. So otherwise, so let me change the object name. So here MySQL connect object. Dot, let me get the method. Why it is not getting the object? Let me check first. Page up. Let me fold the code first of all. MySQL connect. Yes, MySQL connect. MyC. So MyC dot. Okay, I can able to get now. First, let me create the reference here. Control C. So let me remove. Now MyC will be available now. Page down. Otherwise, let me fold the code. Let me fold the code. So code is folded now. So here I can work with now MyC dot what is the method name? Get connection. So here is MySQL connect. So getCon is the method name. GetCon is the method name, and here I got the connection. I can hold this reference by using connection. So connection and assign with the assignment operator. So here I got the connection. Next, after getting the once connection, you can able to perform the JDBC operations. First of all, let me create the query, string query, or check email query, then check email query. So here let me select name from users where email like question mark, because this is prepared statement query. Let me fire the query. Will it work or not? Let me check in my SQL log first of all. So users, right click, view data. So there is no insert operation. There is no user is registered. Already has been taken or not. So like Yogesh, control A, and then execute. So there is no record, but till then I can be able to perform the operations like name Yogesh, then test@gmail.com, password is Yogesh, mobile number suppose dummy number, gender male, then date of birth 15/05/1993. Okay, saved. Now let me fire the query, control A, where email like Yogesh not Yogesh, test@gmail.com. So here is test@gmail.com, control A, select yes. It is firing the query, working now. So you can use, instead of name column, you can use star also, so to retry all the record. So it retries all the record. Okay, fine. So there is no image. Okay, there is no image. We'll add the image later on. So my query works fine. You can use star also, or you can use a specific column also. So go to NetBeans, either this query or you can use this query. So instead of name, column name, you can use star also. So my query is correct now. I need prepared statement objects. So here prepared statement object, prepared statement pst. Let me get the con dot prepare statement. Let me pass the query, that is check email, and statement ends with a semicolon. Then prepare statement dot, I need to set the string, set string at first position, and here I have to pass here email. email. I have passed the query. Now I need to work with result set. So here is my result set res prepare statement dot execute query statement ends with a semicolon. So let me import result set now. So result set. So import java.sql.result set. Result set is imported. Now my result set is ready. Let's just check it condition. The result set gathers the record from the database or not. So I can use the rs.next method. This is within the try if. So if it contains record, then result set will definitely bring the records. So email ID has been already taken. Then we need to ask to choose another or different mail ID. Okay, so here is J option pane. Let's give the message, warning message. J option pane dot show message dialog. So here let me pass here null, and here I can work with the, so this, not this, so this, like I can create here email plus double quote email address has been already registered or taken by other user. Please choose another one. Okay boss, fine. So the option message has been shown. Now let us proceed for now else block. In the else block, if other mail ID has been taken, then we can save the user information. Yeah, Umate sir, yeah, तुम्ही पण save the user registration details to database table. So in the else block we can write the logic now. So I can use prepare statement. Let me get the connection. Let me prepare the statement by passing the query. So here only directly I can pass the query. What is the query? Let me create the query. String save query. So here insert into, what is the table name? I think users is the table name, right? Users is the table name. So insert into users. What are the column names? The column names like name, comma, email, comma, password. Check it out. Name, email, password, then mobile, gender, date of birth, comma, mobile, comma, gender, comma, date of birth, comma, date of birth, comma, photo. So 7 columns are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So check it once again. Name is there, email is there, password is there, mobile is there, gender is there, date of birth is there, photo is there. Okay boss, my query is ready. So here photo, just close the parenthesis. Let me add values. So again I need parenthesis. I need 7 question mark. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 separated by comma. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Okay, 4 5 6 7, done. Here you have to pass here save query. So your query is done. Now let us set the values. pst dot set string position 1. So here I can pass here name, pst dot set string. Let me pass here 2, and here I need email, same sequence as a query sequence. Then pst dot set string, then I can pass here 3. Then I need here password, pass. Okay, then we'll go for, now after password we'll go for mobile. Now pst dot set string. So here is 4. I need here mobile, then pst dot set string 5. Then after mobile I need here gender. After gender, then we need to set the date or set string also. So, but first of all I need to convert into date format, simple date format, sdf new simple date format. So here what is the date format? I think I forget to change the date. dd hyphen mm hyphen YY. Okay, so go to design once, do confirm that you have selected proper date format or not. So right click properties. So you can see here date format somewhere, date format string, you can see here. So I don't want this date format, I want dd hyphen mm hyphen YY format. Okay, so last time I forget, but now I corrected. dd hyphen mm hyphen YY. Hit close, hit the close, go to source. Otherwise you can see here date. So scroll up, so here also as I said to you, change the date format. So dd hyphen mm hyphen YY. Okay, 4 times y. So as well as in the design, so properties, scroll down, Control V. Okay, that's fine. Close, save. So go to source now. I got simple date format. Now get the date, date of birth 1. So simple date format dot format of, let me pass here jdate chooser, jdate chooser dob dot get date. So and now, so pst dot prepare statement dot set string, this is at 6th position, and here I have to pass dob1. Okay, now let me set the photo now. So input stream is new input stream, new file input stream, then semicolon new, and pass your file, and here is my file is a photo path. Okay boss, fine. So here prepare statement dot set blob, not big decimal, set to blob, this is at 7th position, and here I have to set here input stream. Done. So let me work with now J option pane. So directly let me check whether records is correct or not. So here prepare statement dot execute update. So if I is greater than or equal to 1, then I can write the logic. So here is J option pane dot show message dialog. So here is null, and you can give here user registration. So I can give here name plus user registration successful with user ID as email ID. So here email. Okay boss, fine. So next after this we'll proceed for now else block. So user registration failed with user ID email. Try again. Okay boss, fine. So this ends of try, and here I can keep here one more J option pane, and user registration failed. Exception E. So failed. User not inserted or saved. Exception. Okay boss, fine. So up to here we're done. So next just will dry run this application. So register, all fields are compulsory. So proceed now. So Ganesha, Shankar. So here Ganesha, Ganesh at Shankar, Ganesh at yahoo.com, then Ganesha, Ganesha, mobile number, date of birth May 15, then select the image, entertainment, images, okay, some image, home, entertainment, images, gods, okay, fine, hit the register. Password and confirm password must be same. So Ganesh, register, all fields are filled, database connection successful, Ganesha Shankar, user registration successful with user ID as email ID ganesh@yahoo.com. Hit OK. Fine. Just I forget to clear the field. I will clear now. Go to database, hit the refresh, right click, view data. You can see here Ganesh Shankar, ganesh@yahoo.com. Ganesh is the password, mobile number, female, okay, it should be male. Image, let us see image. So image is this one. Okay boss, so let us see now. Let us perform clear operation now. Reset also done. Means after registration we need to automatically it should reset now. So let me write the logic to reset. Let me write the logic to reset here. So where is my reset event? Simply we can call reset event. So J button, reset action performed, copy, right click, copy, scroll down, and you can paste here, pass event semicolon. It will clear all the fields. Okay, fine. So we'll dry run once again. So enter full name, reset, and Shruti Bhosle, SHRUTI @gmail.com, SHRUTI, mobile number, some mobile number, female, then date of birth, some November 2010 around 16. Select the images, go to image, entertainment, images, or somewhere like, okay, fine, register, Now all fields are filled. Okay, fine. Validation done. Now database connection successful. Good. User registered. Shruti Bhosle. User registration successful with user ID as email ID shruti@gmail.com. Then it should clear all the fields automatically. Cleared now. Okay, automatically cleared. Go to database, hit the refresh. So you can see here Shruti Bhosle, shruti@gmail.com, Shruti, female, date of birth and image. Okay guys, fine. So let us proceed now. Just we have to click here to log in or sign in to close registration form, and we'll open login now. Okay, fine. So let me proceed for now. Let us proceed for next step. Done. Up to here we are done. I forget to one more demonstration I have to show, that email ID is already has been taken or not. Okay, fine. Show Shruti Y Bhosle. So I want to use same email ID. Control A, Control C. So here go to my field, Control A, Control V. This email ID has been already taken. So here somewhat the demo like not Bhosle. Let me keep here somewhat different user, Patil. Okay, fine. Password maybe PATIL, male, female, some date of birth like May 15. Select the image. So documents, it's somewhat like don't have image for daughter, so go to some other image, entertainment, images, okay, fine. Okay, anyway, whatever the image is image. Then just keep in mind this shruti@gmail.com has been already taken. If you observe the database, so shruti@gmail.com is here and Shruti Bhosle has been already taken. Okay, so let me try. So register, all fields filled, database connection successful. The shruti@gmail.com email address has been already registered or taken by other user. Please choose another one. Okay boss, as well as this field need to be cleared. This field need to be clear. We'll write the logic here. It's working now. It's working. So we'll write Shruti PATIL or Shruti 1. Shruti 1 2 3 4. Okay boss, so we'll register now. Okay, done. So you can see here, so Shruti Patil, Shruti 1234@gmail.com. Patil is the password. Okay, fine. So as well as we'll see the operation to log in. So we'll clear the field first. Where is that already taken? Where is date of birth? All fields are filled. This email address has been already taken. So home, so we'll clear the field now. J text field email id dot set text to empty. Okay, now here j text field email id dot graph focus. Okay boss, fine, done. So we'll register one more. Suppose here Yogesh Bhosle 988 at gmail.com. Password is TEST. First of all, I'll try with Shruti at gmail.com, right? SHRUTI gmail.com, right? So here is TEST mail and select the image. So select the image, entertainment, images, some image, register. All fields are filled. Successful. Shruti at Gmail address has been already registered or taken by other user. Please choose another one. So once I hit OK, then this email address field to be blank and grab the focus. So you can see here focus is bringing here. Okay guys, so I need to choose different. Okay guys, so register. All fields are filled. Now user is not inserted. Image is too large. Okay, we'll select different image. Image is too high. So entertainment, images, Chhatrapati, in entertainment, some images, Chhatrapati, save. Okay, register. All fields are filled. Database connection successful. This is also too large. Let me select small image from our desktop. So user, register, registered successfully. So go to database, hit refresh. So you can see here Yogesh. Okay, fine. So Yogesh, save. Fine. So we'll go to now. We'll proceed for now login. Login. Now let us add one more form. But before that, we'll go for listener. We'll proceed for listener. So when you click here, this should dispose and login should show. Okay, fine. So go to design, scroll down. So right click here and then events, mouse clicked. So mouse clicked, where is that mouse clicked? So here to close current form, to close current registration form and open login form. Okay guys, fine. So first of all, let me create the login first. So go to add one more form for login. So I need to add login window. So go to your project. So minimize the image. So right click here, new, select the JFrame form, login window, hit the finish. Now design the login. Okay guys, so I need panel here. So add the panel. Make the panel somewhat fixed to your window. Change the background color. Then background color to somewhat like dark background. I'm looking for dark background. Hit OK. Then hit close. Add one more panel on the top of first panel. Then so this should look like this. So on this panel I need one more panel, for label and other stuff. So here I need label. So here is my label, and I need one more panel on the top of this panel. So first let's increase the size somewhat. So add the panel here. Okay, more than enough. Okay, so I need this background to be changed. Properties. So first of all, I'll change the background of this. Properties. So change to somewhat dark color. Hit OK. Close. So I'll change the color for the image. So I want red color here. Properties. Background. I want red. Hit OK. Close. And I need labels. One label here for logo. One more label for here for college name. Right click properties. So go to icon. So select the logo from images. Hit OK. Close. And right click, edit text, delete. deleted now. Okay, done. And right click, edit text. So here is CSMSS Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering, Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. DT code 2533. Okay boss, so let me increase somewhat font. Let me increase the font. So here let me make it bold and somewhat 12, and text color make it white, perfect white. Hit OK. Okay guys, so I need to add one more label here. So here is label, the label size, label text. Let me change the label text. So here is label is login, and font like bold and somewhat like 24. Okay, what the issue with this? Edit text, login, that's it. Keep the login at center and login. The color for this form each must be white, so white color, change the color to white, hit OK, and font to 28. Okay, done. So let me call this form from my register, not this register, MySql connect from register window. So login window LW new login window semicolon LW dot show. So let me run the application now. So you can see here, click here to login, so you can see your form also appearing here. Okay guys, so both forms are here. Okay, fine. So now we can add remaining fields. Login, register new window, done. So let me proceed for login, design of login window. So I need here label, one label, I need one more label, I need one J text field, otherwise we'll change the email ID or username or user ID, whatever the things you will feel comfortable you can. Then password. Okay, fine. Change the color and font, bold 18. Okay, then I want to somewhat bring in center. Okay guys, so I need one J text field. Before J text field I need one more label, So label here, label here. So I need icons, so select the images folder and password open. No, here password must be user, so user. Okay, hit OK, and here right click, properties, icon, and images. So here lock closed, or okay, lock closed, okay, no matter, hit OK, close. Okay guys, so change the edit text. So here also edit text, done. Let me add here now JText field. So here is my text field, and I need password field, so here is password field. Let me increase the height and width. Okay, so this is also okay guys. So this is for password, this is for email ID. So here in shop JText field 1, I can show here, enter email ID as username, and here enter password, done. So we'll change the colors to somewhat like dark orange, as well as font also bold and 18, and go for like some Arial. Okay, we'll increase the width for username also, password also. I need buttons, so one button is here, one more button for reset. So we'll increase the width, one more button, let us increase the width. So here edit text, login, here edit text, reset, and both bold 24. Okay, properties, so color, background, I want this color. Okay, close. And for this properties, what is the color I have chosen? Okay, dark blue, and here foreground is white. Okay, fine. So here properties, background, somewhat like, okay, and foreground yellow, perfect yellow, close. So since he just run, so how your form looks now, login, reset. Okay, fine. Okay guys, now we'll proceed for now label. I need to add one more label. So here don't have account, click here to create one. So label, So here is label, add one label, and width, right click, so don't have account, click here to create one. Okay guys, fine. Now change the color to somewhat red. Foreground color, I am looking for red color. Hit OK, and fonts bold, and go for somewhat like Arial 18. Hit OK. Okay, again we can increase the font also, like 24. Will it fix? No, it's not fixing, so let me go for 20. Hit OK. Yes, fix now. Save. We'll apply the listener also, not to worry. First of all, let me go for now reset. Now I design my form as per my requirement. Now let us proceed for now reset. So right click, events, action performed. Where is that? So reset the user ID or email ID. Reset the user ID or email ID, comma, password field. Okay boss, fine. Reset the user ID or email ID or password fields. So how do I reset? So before resetting, just change the variable names. So here email ID and here is password. Change the variable name, pass. So events, action performed. So how do I reset? J text field, email dot set text. So next J password field dot set text blank. Fine. Just simply dry run. Now I don't want this to be faster, I want login to be faster. So just small change. Decorate the form as per your choice. Apply the listener where reset. So small change in flow, that is earlier registration form used to have first preference in execution. Now I want to change, I want to show first preference to login window or frame, then register. Okay, then registration window. Okay boss, fine. Now I want to show first preference to login window, then registration. So go to NetBeans ID. So here instead of register, we have to proceed for login. So here login window, LW assignment operator, new login window, LW dot show. Okay boss, fine. And where is my listener? Login window, design. So here let us apply the listener, edit text, no, not edit text, events, events. So events, key pressed, mouse clicked, okay, fine. So where is my mouse clicked? So here, to launch registration window, or you can call frame, because we have changed the sequence of execution. So here we have changed the flow of execution or sequence. Okay guys, so let me proceed for execution now. So here, register window, rw, new register window, rw dot show. Okay guys, fine. So let us run the application. Click here, so you can see here both forms are appearing here now. Okay guys, simply I can close this form and dispose, and you can call dispose method. So run. So that was disposed now. Now click here to sign in, dispose, sign in, dispose, sign in. Okay guys, so done. Now go to login, design. Up to here done. Now let us proceed for now. Let us apply the listener on login. So let us apply the listener on login. Just almost done. So it's small. So apply the listener on login button. So select the login button. Select the login button and events. So events, action performed, action performed. So here I'm going to check or verify whether user is valid or not. Okay guys, fine. So let me get the first email ID. String email, jtext field email dot get text. Then let me get the string password, jtext jpassword field pass.
ऑडिट
मी करतो, मी लगेच करून देतो.
दुसरं ते तुमचा स्लॉट चेंज करायला सांगितलं.
माताच फक्त
फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड
माताच फक्त
3 जणांची केली 3 जणांनी. खनसर सरांचा केला, पालकर सरांचा केला.
फर्स्ट सेकंड
ठीक आहे. ऑडिट साठी फाईल घेऊ.
jtext ma'am, jtext. So here I received the password field also. So let me verify if email dot trim dot equals. So here is design and get the text here. Control C, copy. So here login window, go to source, semicolon, not semicolon. Then I can check here also in this way. Control C. So here or, and here I need empty, delete. Okay guys, so just similarly verify our password. Verify our password. Control C, Control V. So here I need for password. Here also we have to remove password. Go on design, select password. So here is enter password. Control C and go to source. Here is password. Okay guys, so this is within if. Okay guys, so now let us check here. I need to get the object. So where is the object? MySql connection MySql. So MySql new MySql connect semicolon. Now after this, where is that? Okay, MySql connect MySql. I got MySql reference. Now I can get the connection, and here I can perform J option pin dot show message, show confirm message, not show confirm message, show message box, message dialog. So here is null, and let me check here. Here all fields are compulsory to fill. Kindly check missing field in login form. Okay guys, so move to else block. So in the else block I need connection con. So myc dot get connection. So here I got the connection, but to work with this connection I need keep here try. So here is catch exception e, and let me import connection. So connection is imported now. So let me write the query string SQL query. So here select star from users where email assigned with question mark and column name is password assigned with question mark. You can check it here, email and password. Okay boss, email and password semicolon. Done now. So let me get the prepared statement object. Prepared statement ps new prepared statement, new prepared statement, and I have to pass here query SQL. Done. Let me import prepared statement. Oh god, and then import prepared statement. con.prepare statement. Let me pass here SQL semicolon. Then pst.setString of 1 comma. So here let me get the email and password set. Let me set it here email. Then pst.setString to, and here pass. Okay guys, done. I need to work with result set now. Result set rs. So pst.execute query. Execute query. So if rs.next of, if rs.next j option pin dot show message dialog, then I can work with here null. Then I can show here. So username and password is correct. Else Control C, username and password is incorrect. Username and password is incorrect. So as well as we need to clear the field. So I want to clear the fields. So clear the fields. So to clear the fields, let me call that event clear event. So here J button to action performed, and so here also clear the fields. So event done. Finally, in the catch, let me pass here J option pin. If any issue, like database exception error E. Okay boss, now let us dry run. So here run. So this is your field. As well as let me show you the database in background. So let me try with Yogesh, not Yogesh, yeah, test. Control C. So here control, just simply hit the login. All fields are compulsory to filled. So here you can see here validation logic is working properly now. All fields are compulsory. Kindly check the missing field in the login form, and this indicates that you forget to fill the fields. So Control A, I entered test@gmail.com, hit the login. Again it is showing that all fields are compulsory to fill. Kindly check missing field in the login form. Let me enter, first of all let me wrong password, suppose login. Again kindly check the compulsory to fill the fields. Password is Yogesh, but I will enter some dummy password like this, blah blah blah. Login, database connection successful, username and password is incorrect, please try again. And as well as it is clearing the field now. So here is my test@gmail.com, and next time I am trying to enter now correct password. What is that password? Yogesh. So YOGESH, hit the login. So database connection successful, get connection method, username password is correct now. So username password is correct. Now it's a time to launch next home page. So up to here we are done. So So once you log in, we have to dispose. So let me call the dispose also. Login, correct? So next step. So call teacher window. Call teacher window. So hash call teacher window. To work with the teacher window, to perform insert, update, delete operations, I will recommend to use, you can go to desktop, you can go to here. So you can visit YouTube and or on the Google also, Java projects for beginners. So videos, otherwise you can go to YouTube, Java projects for beginners, and you will find this, you will find this project. Okay guys, so Java projects for beginners, so you can refer this link. Well, let me open in a new window. So you can refer this tutorial for the next. Let me skip that. So you can refer this tutorial. Okay, so here I am performing updation operation. So some information like update, here you can see insert, update, delete, and all the information. So this tutorial has been already posted. Just we have to go and visit to this URL. In this tutorial we can able to clear the form, clear the fields, even we can able to insert the records, update, delete, as well as we can search. So how to create such type of projects, you can refer this tutorial also. Even search operation also available, delete also there, edit is also there, save or insert, and all the stuff. So I'm gonna to add this form, already created form, into my login register Java project, So let us see now how to add this form into our existing project. So let me get the code. I'll copy and paste the code. Even I shared the source code also. Okay guys, so even you can try with this also. So even you can work with this also. This project. Okay guys, so either you select this one or you select this one. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna to add this form, Java projects for beginners. So otherwise let me add this form. So copy and let me close the content here, as well as so teacher window. Go to YouTube, search for, then study tutorial, study the about tutorial, study the about say tutorial. I'll give one more whose link is like this. So Control C. So as well as let me give you this link also. So Java projects for beginners with source code. And the link is this one. Okay guys, so you can refer these two tutorials. So simply I'm gonna to add one more form. So from existing, so already added, let me check it out. Java login register. So here test packages, source packages, Java login register. So here teacher bin and teacher window, copy. I have copied and I am pasting to source packages. So here right click, paste, refactor copy. login register project. Yes, so refactor. Okay, you can see these two forms. One is bean form, teacher bean form, which contains all teacher information, and getter and setter methods. Getter and setter methods for subject, address, date of birth, salary, name, and ID. And one more form, teacher window form. Teacher window form. So teacher window form design. So I'll go to design. So properties, I'll change the icon or logo to somewhat small logo. So images, this logo may not be here. Logo, okay, it close. Okay guys, so now just once you log in, this information to be appear here. So you can refer these two tutorials to work with the next part. Okay, you can download the source code also. So you can download here. You can download source code also. So by clicking download button. Fine. So let me close this stuff. As well as you can refer this tutorial basically to work with your application. Okay guys, so better to refer. So let me run the dry run, last run. So before dry run, let me go to my login window, and in the login window, username password is correct, and here let me call my teacher window, tw new teacher window semicolon tw dot show. And finally you can call dispose for closing the current login form. Okay guys, so this is the form I have added. Please refer the about tutorial Java project before login. Okay guys, so dispose, and now we can run. There might be a issue with this. The issue is there is no record. So let me go with the teacher window and source, and here is MyDB. Let me add, this is MyDB. Where is MyDB? Where is MySql log? Yes, it's MyDB is here, and you can find the teacher information. So view data, yes, some information is there. We'll proceed for that information now. So run, close all, close. So run the application now. You can go for register also if you wish, so as well as login. So hit home, delete or reset also. So let me try with users, test@gmail.com and Yogesh. test@gmail.com. Here is YOGESH. Hit the login. Database connection successful. Username password is correct. Database exception java.lang.null pointer exception. Let me check where is the null pointer exception is throwing now. So this might be the issue with issue with the image. Let me check the image. So where is the issue? Why it is not loading? Teacher bin, Control F. Okay, I have to add remaining icons also. So let me search for remaining icons. Can I find the icons? So there might be chance that image is not found. So I have to get all these icons. So Control C. Okay, so let me add the icons here. Pasted. Okay, fine. And go to teacher bin, not teacher bin, teacher window, design. So new or clear. So icon. So here icon security. Let me search for security images. Somewhat you can find here security. Security, hit OK, close, then right click, properties, then change the icon, cross, hit OK, close, then change the icon for update, right click, properties. Just now I pasted some icon, user group add. So here user group, search for user group add, user group add. User group add, hit OK, close and delete. Right click, properties, erase. So I need erase icon here. Erase. So here is erase. Hit OK, close. Any more icons? Okay guys, so run the application now. Control A, Control V. I think test@gmail.com. And here is YOGESH. Hit the login. Successful. Password is correct. Now you can see here. This is the information. Just now we have seen. You can able to insert. You can able to update or delete. So let me clear. So here I forget to clear the date of birth. So let me clear the field also. And where is my register window? Reset, so I can reset the fields. So where is my teacher window? And reset event, right click, events, action performed. Here is field. Okay guys, now we can reset. So let me close my form. So let me log in using test. Instead of test, let me go for some different. Shruti@gmail.com and Shruti. This might be register and login. So Control A, Control V, home, SHRUTI, hit the login, successful, correct, and you can see here. So teacher 1, clear, new or clear, and teacher 2 clear. So if you want to insert some dummy user, I can insert. So test or Rajesh, I can add here Pramod, then teacher ID, let me add here shift home, control X, add suppose 5 Pramod, then teacher salary, suppose here date of birth, then suppose October 10 2010, then Kumarga MH India, subject he teaches computer network, and save. User saved successfully. You can see here Pramod. As well as you can update also. If I want to update salary 78 and somewhat like India and some pin code, now here I want to update to Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India, 431001, and there might be subject that you want to change. Here, change subject to suppose Java or Java technology. Okay, save or insert, error. So let me change here what the issue, Java technology, then Kanchanwadi, Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India, 431001, and somewhat salary too. Okay, fine. So update, one teacher updated successfully. You can see here all the records. If you want to search Yogesh, so you can see here not available, Yogesh is available, Y is available, P is having Patil Pramod. Okay guys, so as well as you can able to delete the record. I want to delete the Yogesh, so delete. One teacher deleted successfully whose ID is 3. Yogesh Patil is deleted now. I want to delete one more. Deleted successfully. So search for teacher 1. Teacher 1 is here. So click here, you can see all the data. Okay guys, so this is all about project. Don't forget to subscribe and like this tutorial. Thank you for watching, as well as refer this tutorial also. So till then, let me close all the stuff. So here, close. Is it loaded? What the issue with this? So let me check, and again I can give the tutorial videos. So here, let me go to YouTube, and please, Java projects for beginners. Please refer this tutorial, as well as you can refer this tutorial also. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you for watching. हो मॅम, या आत्ता फ्री झालो.
सर ते जे मार्क्स आहेत ना
हां
ते तुम्ही टेम्पलेटमध्ये ठेवू शकता.
बरं ठीक आहे, मी ठेवतो आता.
मग नंतर तुम्ही अपलोड करा.
आम जेवण केले? जेवण केलं का?
हो तुम्ही
नाही, करतो आता.
करून घ्या.
4 तर झालं नाही.
झालं ना?
झालं, आत्ता संपलं.
अरे बाबा.
Please guys, don't forget to subscribe